At Halfords, we stock reversing cameras, a solution for any car not already equipped with this feature. Reversing cameras will soon be compulsory within all new built cars, so it's vital you consider installing one. One of the biggest benefits is added safety. These cameras allow you to see 170 degrees from the back of your car, eliminating blind spots and increasing awareness of your surroundings. This will help you see more when you're reversing your car, so you can avoid any bumps or scratches. You can choose where you want to place your camera, with some models having a pedestal camera mount, allowing you to place the camera discreetly on your bumper. Or perhaps the number plate mount is more suited for you. Whichever you choose, be sure to use the Halfords fitting service to make sure it fits just right. You also have a choice of what type of parking lines you want to see from your reversing camera screen, whether this be the static parking lines, or perhaps you want to opt for a more advanced view with dynamic parking lines. Finally, the reversing camera screen location can vary depending on your preferences. You can decide to invest in a dash mount screen monitor or a rear view mirror mount screen monitor. If you already have a screen inbuilt in your car, then we also have an advanced existing screen integration system which will connect your reverse camera viewing to your screen. But if you're still struggling to find the perfect reversing camera, then come and visit us in your local Halfords store, where a member of the team will be happy to help. Or head to our website to see our full range of reversing cameras.